Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to display or hide delete confirmation dialog in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. If you have the recycle bin icon on your desktop, just right-click the icon and click on Properties. Then, check or uncheck the Display Delete Confirmation dialog option. If you don't have the recycle bin icon on your desktop, then go to the search bar and search for Recycle Bin, and click on it. Then, click on the three-dot icon and click on Properties. After that, check or uncheck the Display Delete Confirmation dialog option. Lastly, click on Apply, and then OK. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.